Blue painter's tape is one of the most common types of tape found around construction sites, trade show setups, general facilities, and even your own toolbox at home. Designed for both professional painters and general purpose, BT-190 delivers sharp paint lines and reliable performance for both indoor and outdoor painting applications. With UV resistance and clean removal capabilities for up to 14 days, BT-190 helps protect surfaces while ensuring a professional finish. Its clean removal adhesive system leaves no sticky residue behind, making post-job cleanup fast and easy. BT-190 is also ideal for abatement and containment, color coding, masking, and general utility applications, making BT-190 a staple on any job site. Built with a synthetic rubber adhesive and durable crepe paper backing, BT-190 offers reliable performance and easy hand tearability in everyday use. So grab a roll of BT-190 for professional results every time. Contact a Bron application specialist to learn more.